student from Nur Academy Senior Secondary School. And today I would like to tell you about our Assam's culture and traditions. Our Assam is a state of Northeast which is famous for its diverse cultural heritage. Our Assam is known for its traditions, cultures, arts, sculptures and many more. Our Assam's main festival or significance of our Assamese culture is Bihu. Bihu are celebrated 3 times in a year. Bohag Bihu, Kati Bihu, Mag Bihu. Bohag Bihu is also known as Rongali Bihu. This Bihu is celebrated in April. This Bihu is celebrated to mark the beginning of our Assamese New Year and to mark the beginning of our harvest season in Assam. Kati Bihu. This Bihu is celebrated in mid-October. This Bihu is also known as Kongali Bihu. It is celebrated as a prayer for a good harvest season. And Mag Bihu. This Bihu is celebrated to mark the ending of the harvest season. Our Assamese traditional attire is Sadar Mekhela. Sadar Mekhela are made by Eri, Polu, Muga and many more fabrics. Sadar Mekhela are an emotion for the Assamese girls. And there are some various traditional jewelries like Dhunbiri, Junbiri. Our Assam has a traditional scarf. It is not just a scarf, it is an emotion, and that is Gamusa. When you want to show gratitude to someone or when you want to show honor and respect to someone, we put Gamusa around their neck. Gamusa is a very traditional thing and lovable thing of Assam. Our Assam has various delicious cuisines like masor tenga, pithas, khar and etc. etc. And one thing about Assam that I haven't told you is Borgit. Borgit is the emotion of Assam. Borgit are written by Srimanta Shankar Dev and Madhav Dev. Borgit are something that are related to the hearts of Assamese people. Assam's culture is a blend rich of diversity. Our Assam is an example of unity in diversity. Assam is not just a state. Assam is a state which has unique traditions, cultures and an example of unity in diversity. Our Assamese people have love in their hearts and unity in them. Our Assamese folk dances are Bihu dance, Satriya dance. Bihu dance is a folk dance which is commonly seen in Assam, while Satriya dance is something that is very cultural and holy. It is a classical form of dance. Our Assam is a state of Northeast which is very unique and linguistic. I hope you liked it. Thank you.